Hi everyone, my name is Hans Kern and I like to introduce you to the new add-in for Microsoft Word, which is Bible Quotes for Microsoft Word. And this tool allows you to quote from within Microsoft Word out of more than 1400 different Bible versions and in more than 1200 different languages. Let's first go to the installation. In Microsoft Word, you go up here to the Insert tab, or left top. Then you go to My Add-ins. Then you go to the Microsoft Store. Then you type in Bible, Enter key, and you have found it here, Bible Quotes for Word. Press the Add button, press the Continue button, and here it is, to the top right. It has been installed in a Home tab. Depending on the version, it might install in the Add-in tab as well. In addition, you can add it to the Quick Access toolbar by right-clicking here and choose the first context menu item. That has already been done. In that case, it's also available up here. To activate it, click on the icon. Confirm that you trust the add-in. You may have to change the language. The tool tries to guess your favorite language. You may have to change it. So click on the version and language here. Remove the language you don't want to have. Type in EN for English, for example. And then choose a Bible version, like King James Version. Close. So in order to use the tool, put your cursor anywhere in your Word document where you want to insert a quote. Choose the book first, then choose the chapter, choose the starting verse, choose the ending verse, and you see already what it was selected down here in the preview. Click the Insert button and here it is. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. So that was the introduction. I will do more videos like this to explain you further details. If you like it, please subscribe so you won't miss future videos. For now, that's all. Thank you and have a nice week.